Listen and repeat. A. Claim. Date. Exist. Likely. Preserve. Tear. Touch. Unemployed. Worry. B. Claim. 1. To claim something. Did anyone claim the lost umbrella? 2. To claim that. To claim falsely. Nigel falsely claimed that he had done all the work himself. Date. To date somebody. Paul dated Caroline last summer. Jane and Sam have been dating for a year and a half. Exist. To exist somewhere. Does life exist on other planets? A person cannot exist for long without water. Likely. Most likely. Very likely. To be likely. Unlikely to do something. Tony will most likely win the competition. He is likely to agree with us. They are unlikely to arrive so early. Preserve. To preserve customs and traditions. To preserve food. To preserve something for the future generations. We put food in the fridge to preserve it. In my view, some interesting customs should be preserved. The ancient Egyptians knew how to preserve dead bodies. Tear, tore, torn. To tear the t-shirt on a branch. To tear a page out of the book. To tear something up. Andrew tore his jeans when he was climbing up the tree. I saw Iris tear the letter up without reading it. Touch. To touch something. To touch somebody's heart. To touch on upon something. To be touched by something. Touch wood. The chair was so high that his feet didn't touch the ground. The children's story touched our hearts. Fred was touched by Emma's kind words. The speaker didn't touch on the problem of immigration. Ben is feeling much better now, touch wood. Unemployed. Unemployed men. Unemployed people. The factory had closed and there were a lot of unemployed people in the area. Worry, worried, worried. To worry somebody. To worry about somebody or something. Stop worrying. We'll be fine. Don't worry the driver with unnecessary questions.